This is the wheelchair lift at the Carnegie Lecture Hall in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a newly installed Garaventa Genesis. Make sure that door doesn't slam. There you go. Now let's go up. Here we go. This is very slow. There's the mechanism. Not sure what kind of mechanism this is. You can tell there's a light fixture up there and there's a stairwell. There's the emergency light for the elevator up there, or for the wheelchair lift. Get it? Here you're at the upper level. Let's go back down. Not sure what the green light there is for. I think maybe it's for power. No freight capacity. Operating guidelines, Garaventa Genesis. It's your basic wheelchair lift. It's white. There's an entrance right there, or exit. There's a light. Again, there's a stairwell that goes up to the upper level of the lecture hall. This is the Carnegie Library lecture hall. Excuse me if I said Carnegie Museum. This is the Carnegie Library. This is very slow. I don't really like this lift. We're at the lower level. Let's exit. That payphone right there does not work. Some storage. And that'll be it.